Hello, my name is Will Mulligan, a business analyst with MercuryGate International. I'm here today with another installment of MercuryGate Minutes to talk to you about ways that you and your company can help reduce your risk of freight loss and damage claims. There exists a simple, immutable fact in international and domestic shipping. Things will go wrong and damage will occur to your product. There's just no way around it. Now, the causes of damage may vary, but it's worth noting that water is the most common cause. Moreover, in international shipments, of which there is plenty of water, there are many stages that get so complex that with the various activities along the way, the risk of damage just keeps increasing. For example, the supplier and the factory handle and load the cargo. Then a local trucker moves the cargo to a warehouse. When it gets to the warehouse, a local company moves the cargo to a terminal. And then the terminal moves it to another location where a carrier takes it all the way across the ocean to its destination, where, guess what, the entire process repeats again, just this time in reverse. The complexity is never ending, and the risk of freight damage and loss claims only continues to grow. To mitigate these risks and lower costs, shippers and Lsps need to understand a few ways that they can protect themselves. The biggest challenge in handling freight damage and loss claims lies in the different ways that carriers process those claims. At the same time, claims can be handled by shippers, by brokers, by 3PLs, by freight forwarders, any number of the parties that were involved with the shipment. This is to say nothing of additional challenges that also exist, including an inability to produce all relevant documentation, lack of physical evidence such as photos of the damaged freight, poor accountability when it comes to reporting claims to carriers in the appropriate time frames, and then difficulties in handling the differences in the payment process between all the parties that were involved. So what can shippers and Lsps do to lessen the impact? Well, the answer is simple, but it still bears saying. Effective processes, ones that emphasize keeping proper documentation and such as photos of the damaged freight. Define claims management that helps lower your risk of denials. However, that being said, shippers must still take an active role in understanding their responsibilities if damaged freight does occur. To further reduce the risk of freight damage and loss claims, cargo owners should also follow these additional tips. Properly seal containers before shipping them out. Ensure the recipient data is correct. Use automation to share customer data. Automate the claims process by using your TMS or your contracted service provider to handle it. Keep all documentation in a centralized cloud-based location. File claims immediately when they appear. Follow through on those claims. And track transportation data regarding carrier claims and payments so that you always understand the status that it's in. Unfortunately, it's impossible to get your claims number to zero. But when they do happen, a centralized resource will amplify your case and lower your chances of denial. To learn more about Mercury My Easy Claim, a product that can help you with this problem, please visit MercuryGate.com.